Hello, everybody. I have a couple things to open for you, and they are from a company that contacted me, and this is a little different, okay? It is not diamond painting related, but I thought, why not? Sorry, I forgot to plug in my mic. Let me plug in my mic. Hang on just a second. All right. So I thought this was cool, and I thought, sure, why not? Why not? And I hope their name is in here. So let me show you what it is. All right, let's see what's on our packing slip here. Yep. Okay, so here is their name, and I'm not quite sure how you say it. Amoretu. Amoretu. Come on, seriously, focus. No, it's like no. So Amoretu. Okay, but anyhow, this is cool. It's clothing, you guys. It's clothing, and I was like, sure, why not? I'll show some clothing on my channel. I could use some new things, so let's do this. All right, let's do this. I like this. It comes in this little zippy bag. That's kind of cool. That's cool. All right, I will, wow, it's very nice. It's very soft. I will try to take some pictures later. I'll actually try them on and I'll show you some pictures later, what they look like. But this is, look at this. Isn't this cool? Look at it. Isn't it nice? I mean, fall's coming, right? My favorite color, purple. It's kind of like a purple heather, I would call it, you know? Got some stripes here, and it's very nice. Very soft. I mean, it looks like it's very well made, put together well. I ordered them in a little extra large size. I did order extra large because, you know, sometimes I find that when I order clothes online, they run small. So I ordered the extra large here, but isn't it pretty? Super pretty. This came in so many colors. It came in black, gray, charcoal, pink, just all kinds of different colors you could get for the top part. You know what I mean? I like that it doesn't really have tags. It does have the extra large tag there, but it doesn't have like tags that are gonna like poke at your neck and stuff. I like it. I like it. So like I said, I'll try it on and I'll take some pictures and I'll tell you more about it like after I try it on, but it's super soft. I really like that. All right, so that's one item I got. Let's show you what else I got. I do love the way they come in these bags. These are nice. They're all in the individual zippered bag. Look at that color. You can tell what color that is, right? All right, let's see this one. Now they had, oh my gosh, they had shirts, okay? And I opted, this feels like it has a piece of, it does. It's got some tissue in here. I opted for shirts. They had some dresses. They had other items. This is so soft as well. Guys, it's hard to explain how soft this is. Super soft. I love it. I got this one in a large. I think that's going to be plenty. Look, okay, I like this. This is what I like about it. It's a woman's cut shirt. See what I mean? It is not just a boxy t-shirt. It has the scalloped, you know, kind of curved at the bottom. That's the kind of shirt I like the best. It's well made. Oh my gosh. I'll link them below. They were very reasonably priced. Very nice. I've got to try some of these on. So that one's super pretty too. I'll try them on and I'll let you know what we think after I try them on, okay? And what else did I get? I got 3 things, 3 items. I love how they're packaged. Nice, nice, and nice. All right, different color. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so this is a silky top. Okay, this is like a cotton polyester, whatever. Does it have like, does it tell us what it's made out of? No, it doesn't. I don't think so. No. This one was just called the Lavender Tea. It's a lavender t-shirt. I wonder if there's a tag inside or anything that tells us materials. Let's see. Rayon and spandex. There you go. That's what it is. That one's rayon and spandex. So it's got a little give to it, the spandex part. But this one is like silky. You know, this is a silky top. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, love this. Love this. Okay, this is what I'd call a peasant type shirt. Look at the sleeves. Look at them. Look at Isn't that cool? Got little ties at the end. I could wear this to the Renaissance Festival and I'd fit right in. Look at it. Woo! I love it. Love it. Okay, love it, love it, love it. Love it. Okay, look at the back. See? It's gathered kind of here at the back with the waist. Love this. And this is silky. This, you know, is definitely a silky material. I love these. These are cool. Now, just cross my fingers that they fit, right? That I got the right size. Polyester and spandex. Okay, this one's polyester and spandex. Love it. What do you think? What do you think? I will show you pictures. I'll try them on, and I'll let you know what I think. Love it. So I got this one, fancier little top, right? I got the just women's cut t-shirt. There we go. We got that one. And then we got the long sleeve shirt for fall. There you go. There you go. What do you think? What do you think? I like them. I love the colors. I got bright colors. I think everything's cool. Stay tuned. I'll put some pictures in, okay, and show you kind of the fit, if they fit. If they don't fit, then I can't show you. But I'm hoping they fit. They look like they will. All right. Okay. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Look it. See how nice it looks? Okay. It's cool. It's soft. I like it. I like it. It looks good, doesn't it? All right. There's the first one. Do you like it? I love it. Love it. All right. So the spandex in this makes it super comfy. It stretches, and I love how it comes down around the hip here. It's super comfy. Love it. These are so nice, you guys. So nice. I love it. All right. So that's the second one. All right. Okay. Here's the fancy one. Can we just say date night? Like, woohoo, right? Yeah, okay. That's a little more cleavage than I showed. But this is cool, right? This is cool. I mean, okay, if I was going to go to the Renaissance Festival, you know... Yeah, okay. Anyhow, they got very nice stuff, you guys. Very nice stuff. And they had many other styles. And so, yeah, check them out. Check them out. I will link them below. They're on Amazon. There you go. I might need a little tank underneath this one. All right. Thanks, you guys.